Hi, Sticktastic. Welcome back to another video. New here? We're thrilled to have you. Confidence can feel like a roller coaster, sometimes soaring, sometimes plummeting. While you might have tackled some confidence-killing habits, others lurk unnoticed. Let's uncover 9 sneaky behaviors undermining your self-assurance. I'll just start tomorrow. Sound familiar? Delaying tasks breeds guilt and self-doubt. Every time you postpone, you reinforce the belief that you're not capable. Let's fix it. Break tasks into tiny steps. Finished a 5-minute workout? Celebrate. As author James Clear says, small habits compound into remarkable results. It's not good enough yet. Chasing perfection? You're setting yourself up for disappointment. Want to fix it? Embrace good enough. Progress, not perfection, builds confidence. Shying away from eye contact signals insecurity. You can fix it with practice holding eye contact for 3 seconds longer. It screams, "I belong here." Overusing sorry shrinks your presence. Fix it through swap apologies with gratitude. Try thanks for your patience instead. Needing others' approval traps you in their opinions. Let's fix it. Journal one self-compliment daily. Internal validation fuels lasting confidence. Skipping sleep or meals? Your body affects your mindset. Fix it. A 10-minute walk or a balanced meal can reboot your self-worth. Staying in your comfort zone feels safe, but stifles growth. Fix it. Take micro risks. Send that email, join a club. Confidence grows with action. Clinging to failures? It's like dragging anchors. Fix it. Write the lesson from the mistake, then burn the paper. Let it go. Copying others dims your unique spark. Fix it. List 3 traits that make you stand out. Authenticity attracts respect. Did any habit hit home? Let us know below. If this resonated, smash that like button and share it with a friend. Subscribe and ring the bell for more psychology insights. Remember, confidence isn't about being flawless. It's about embracing growth. See you next time, Sticktastic.